Nitrogen is the one of the main elements that is taking a role on plants' nutrition, and converting nitrogen that is free in the soil to ammonia is a very important process in plants' life. But plants cannot manage this by themselves. So because of that, they will have symbiotic relationships with bacteria called Rhizobias. So in my research field, we have this model organism called Medicago truncatula, which we know as barrel clover. But how does this magical plant solve this issue? Medicago establishes symbiotic relationship with the Rhizobia, nitrogen fixing Rhizobia, in a root organ called nodules, in which Rhizobia is captured into host plant cells by an organelle called Symbiosis. Free-living Rhizobia will turn into nitrogen-fixing machines inside of the symbiosomes, and it will produce ammonia in the exchange of carbon source for the Rhizobia. So, this symbiotic nitrogen fixation requires host proteins secreted to the symbiosomes that mediate survival and differentiation of the Rhizobia. But in this case, how does bacteria and plant is interacting? And how are they creating this differentiation throughout the root? It's a mechanism of feedback, like all in the nature. It has two sides, plant and bacteria, and it all starts with the plant side. When bacteria enters to the plant, it will secrete a protein group called node factors. This will send the message that, hello, I'm here. Then plant will get ready. And while it's getting ready, it will get triggered and it will release some molecules called flavonoids. Flavonoids will get their army, their workers, which is the proteins related to the differentiation, to come regulate and create the organ as we know as nodule, which is the perfect environment for the Rhizobia. But in this case, what will happen in the bacteria side? A protein group called NCR peptides that will come from plant will function as transcription inhibitors, which will change all of the central dogma in the Rhizobia. So with that, they will facilitate the transformation of Rhizobia into nitrogen-fixing organisms. So as a result, we have two sides for this regulation. They expected to become enemies, but they became friends by chance. And with that, we will use all of these regulations as nitrogen fertilizer-free agriculture at the future.